When people hear about Layer 2, they are often told that it makes transactions cheaper and faster. That explanation is true, but incomplete. To really understand Layer 2, we first need to understand how blockchains actually work at a deeper level. Blockchains which work on proof of stake, work in blocks, and each block has a limited capacity. But this capacity is not based on time or how much money is sent. It is based on how much data and computation a transaction requires. A transaction sending a very small amount and a transaction sending a very large amount can take almost the same space in a block. Ethereum's main network is designed as a high-security settlement layer. Every transaction is executed by the network, verified by thousands of nodes, and stored forever. This level of security is extremely powerful, but it is also expensive. Using it for frequent, small, everyday actions is not wasteful in terms of block space, it is excessive in terms of security. Layer 2 exists to solve this exact mismatch. On a Layer 2 system, the full details of transactions like who interacted, what functions were called, and how intermediate calculations happened, are executed outside Ethereum's main network. Ethereum does not process these steps one by one. Instead, Layer 2 batches many transactions together and sends only critical information to Ethereum. What is sent to Ethereum is, first, the final state result. Second, proof that the rules were followed. Third, verification data. This is enough information so that anyone can independently check that the final result matches what actually happened, without replaying every transaction step. What is not sent to Ethereum are the full execution steps of each transaction. Ethereum does not see every internal calculation. That heavy work stays on Layer 2. This is why Layer 2 can be fast and cheap. Ethereum is no longer overloaded with execution, but it still controls correctness and security. Importantly, Layer 2 does not weaken Ethereum. It depends on Ethereum. If a Layer 2 system tries to cheat, Ethereum can reject the result. That is why users are not trusting a company or server. They are trusting Ethereum's ability to verify outcomes. In simple terms, Ethereum stops doing every calculation itself, but it never stops enforcing the rules. That is the real idea behind Layer 2, and that is how Ethereum can scale without giving up decentralization or trustlessness. Like and subscribe for more such content.